Hi, I'm Mike Neundorfer with Advanced RV in Cleveland, Ohio. Many of you have probably seen a recent video by Jason and Nikki Wynn about why they chose lithium batteries for their ocean yacht. They are spot on with their reasons why lithium batteries are a choice for off the grid or in the ocean, reliable, automatic power. What I want to talk a little bit about is how Advanced RV has approached the lithium battery installation and design. Lithium batteries have much more storage capacity than AGMs. They are about half the weight, many times longer life than AGMs, and they have high charge and discharge rate capabilities. One big difference between AGM batteries and lithium batteries is the way that they discharge, the voltage that they have through discharge. If you look at the voltage over time, as you discharge a AGM battery, it starts at 12 point something volts and goes out and then starts to fairly linearly reduce voltage. So the voltage goes down over time. And so if you take a point at any point along this curve and you measure that voltage, that tells you that the battery is about, in this case, about half used up. So you can use voltage as a measure of battery charge as you charge and discharge an AGM battery. With a lithium battery, it's they start a little bit higher and they kind of go over and then go down like that. So if you use voltage to determine when a lithium battery is discharged, you don't see this voltage in this case. You're out here and you don't know that that battery's discharged until it's done. So all through this level here, the battery stays at a pretty constant voltage. So in order to determine what the state of charge of a lithium battery is, you have to use a fairly sophisticated circuit called a shunt, which actually measures the amount of current the battery is using. So it's much more accurate even than a voltage measurement on an AGM battery. If you try to use a voltage measurement to determine the state of charge of a lithium battery, it doesn't work so well. So it changes the whole control system on a battery. You need bigger cable, different relays, a different logic, a different charge logic, a different safety, different measurements of temperature, voltage, and current, and a different way to determine state of charge. At Advanced RV, we work with our suppliers, a half a dozen suppliers that are involved with the interface of our battery systems. From our large commercial ambulance alternator to charge the batteries, to our high efficiency solar panels, which we use to charge our batteries, to the inverters we used, and also some things as simple as the wire we use. A typical RV with AGM batteries would use a 4-gauge wire. Advanced RV uses a 4-aught cable from the alternator to the batteries. You can see how much more copper. It's obviously more expensive, but the high conductivity reduces the temperature, reduces the resistivity, improves the safety of the system. We use sophisticated controls and temperature sensors and voltage sensors and current sensors to make sure that there are no limitations in the whole system to provide electrical power when you need it automatically. Part of the Advanced RV system of power includes automatic heat for the lithium batteries so that they perform and don't degrade over time in low temperatures. As far as battery size, Jason and Nikki are right on with their 1200 amp hour batteries. That's at 12 volts that they put in their yacht. It powers everything from charging their devices to their washer and dryer. Now, we don't have a washer and dryer in an Advanced RV motorhome, so most of our clients pick an 800 amp hour size, which gives them all the power they need for several days usually, unless the air conditioning is being used. It's not unusual to get an overnight or a day of air conditioning and still have plenty of power left over in an advanced RV. We hope the Wynns keep up their videos, and hope you find this interesting. Please call or email Advanced RV if you have questions or comments. Thank you.